Come here.
No.
Come talk to me. Come talk to me, Dill.
Okay. Okay.
Can you tell me a story?
Yeah.
Get over here.
Okay.
Where's the telephone go?
Here.
Oh, is it there?
Yeah.
Well, talk on the telephone. Talk to Nana.
It's not this telephone.
Where is it?
It's in the house and upstairs.
It's in the house upstairs.
Yeah.
What?
It's upstairs.
Really?
It's up in the bed.
Really?
It's up in the bed.
Why is it there?
I don't know.
You don't know? Where are you going? Come back.
Is this one? Is this one?
I think it's called a magnet.
Yeah, magnet. What's this one?
I think that's metal. Click.
What's this one?
That's also metal. Click. Go back in the house and open the window. Where's Dylan? Ah! Open the door. Open the window. Dylan.
What's this one?
Hey, Dylan, go in the house. Go in the house. Go ahead. Go in the house. Can you make me some pasta?
Yeah.
Can you cook me some pasta?
Yeah.
What kind of pasta should we make?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal pasta?
Yeah.
What kind of pasta is that?
Oatmeal. Yeah.
Cheesy eggs?
Yeah.
And what else do you like to eat?
Tortillas.
Grilled cheese? What
Yeah.
else?
A telephone.
You don't need a telephone.
I need a telephone.
No, you don't.
I need a telephone.
Oh, you need the telephone?
Yeah.
Who do you want to call?
Uncle. No.
Nana?
Yeah.
Who else do you want to call?
Uncle Papi.
Babshi?
Yeah.
Who else do you want to call?
Uncle Pop.
Pop-Pop?
Yeah.
Who else do you want to call?
Uncle Didi.
Dee. Who else?
Noah.
Noah? Who else do you want to talk to?
Oh, Dada.
Dada?
Yeah, Dada. Here.
How about,
Mama.
Mama's right here.
Go.
What about, your cousins?
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna call them?
Yeah.
All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
Bye.
See you later, alligator.